The morning sun was shining bright as friends arrived with hearts so light. A table filled with love and grace, smiles of joy on every face, hands together side by side. No walls between us, no divide. A simple meal, a warm embrace. We found a home in this sweet place. Under the Nairobi sky, our hearts were lifted high. We sang, we danced, we shared our lives, and watched our happiness arise. The tears we cried were tears of joy, a love no treasure could destroy. Together as one family, this is where we're meant to be. The children running through the field, the kindness that our hearts reveal, new friends arriving at the gate, welcomed with love, no need to wait. Stories told as daylight faded, every precious moment painted in colors only love can show. A gentle light began to glow. Under the Nairobi sky, our hearts were lifted high. We sang, we danced, we shared our lives, and watched our happiness arise. The tears we cried were tears of joy, a love no treasure could destroy. Together as one family, this is where we're meant to be. Years may pass and seasons change, yet this love will still remain. Every smile and every hand, a gift too beautiful to understand. When we remember this special day, the warmth will never fade away. For true friendship never dies, it lives forever in our lives. Under the Nairobi sky, we'll hold these moments the stars began to shine, we thanked God for this precious time. The morning sun was shining bright as friends arrived with hearts so light. A table filled with love and grace, smiles of joy on every face, hands together side by side, no walls between us, no divide. A simple meal, a warm embrace, we found a home in this sweet place. Under the sky, our hearts were lifted high. We sang, we danced, we shared our lives and watched our happiness arise. The tears we cried were tears of joy, a love no treasure could destroy. Together as one family, this is where we're meant to be. The children running through the field, that our hearts reveal, new friends arriving at the gate, welcomed with love, no need to wait. Stories told as daylight faded, every precious moment painted in colors only love can show. A gentle light began to glow. Under the Nairobi sky, our hearts were this is where we're meant to be. Years may pass and seasons change, yet this love will still remain. Every smile and every hand, a gift too beautiful to understand. special day. The warmth will never fade away, for true friendship never dies. It lives forever in our lives. Under the Nairobi sky, we'll hold these moments high. The songs we sang, the meals we shared, the proof of how much we all cared. And if one day our paths divide, these memories will still survive. Forever grateful, forever free, bound together in unity. Under the Nairobi sky, love filled every heart nearby. And as the stars began to shine, we thanked God for this precious time. The morning sun was shining bright as friends arrived with hearts so light. A table filled with love and grace, smiles of joy on every face, hands together side by side, no walls between us, no divide.